Welcome to This Explainer. Look, today we're jumping straight into a highly strategic mission briefing, and it's custom built for you mid-level mechanical engineers out there. If you're a CAD professional itching to make a massive career leap, well, you're in exactly the right place. We are breaking down everything you need to absolutely nail a major walk-in recruitment drive hosted by Scient Limited. We've got the intel, so let's get right to it.
So, I've got to ask, are you actually ready for your next big engineering milestone? Because this isn't just about firing off a resume into some digital black hole and hoping for the best. No way. This is a high-stakes, face-to-face mission. Scient is literally deploying recruiters to find real, hands-on talent. They know exactly what they want, and if your skills line up with what we're about to show you, this could totally skyrocket your career trajectory.
All right, here's our roadmap for the briefing. We'll start with a Scient opportunity, then dig into your technical arsenal. Look at the day-to-day responsibilities, cover the walk-in drive logistics, and wrap up with your ultimate preparation checklist.
Starting off with Section 1, the Scient opportunity, global engineering and technology.
Now, you really need to grasp the sheer scale we're talking about here. Scient isn't just some small niche machine shop. They are a massive, global engineering and technology powerhouse. You're not just going to be designing basic widgets. Your work could literally span across aerospace and automotive, rail transportation, telecommunications, energy, and heavy industrial manufacturing. Their whole game is engineering design, CAD and CAM solutions, and total product lifecycle support. If you join this crew, your designs could have a worldwide impact across some seriously high-stakes industries.
3 to 7. I want you to burn this number into your brain. 3 to 7 years. Scient doesn't want fresh grads who need a ton of hand-holding, and they aren't looking for high-level managers who haven't opened CAD software since 2015. They are hunting for a very specific sweet spot. Mid-level pros with exactly 3 to 7 years of real, hands-on mechanical CAD design experience. They want seasoned doers who've actually been in the trenches of manufacturing, aerospace, or automotive projects.
Moving on to Section 2, your technical arsenal and the required core skills.
Okay, so your primary weapon of choice for this role, Autodesk Inventor. You've got to be rock solid when it comes to part modeling, assembly design, and all the nitty-gritty of drafting and detailing. But pay really close attention here. There is a massive emphasis on sheet metal. Knowing just the basics isn't going to cut it. You have to be an absolute pro at sheet metal modeling, flat pattern generation, and cranking out flawless manufacturing drawings. Understanding real-world constraints like bend allowances and fabrication standards, yeah, that's completely non-negotiable.
Now, if you really want to stand out from the crowd, let's talk about iLogic. It's basically an automation powerhouse inside Autodesk Inventor. It lets you automate all those boring, repetitive design tasks and create highly configurable models. It's a huge time saver. Now, interestingly, the job posting actually lists iLogic as inactive, but don't let that fool you. The source material is super clear that having prior exposure to iLogic is a massive asset. It proves to them that you actually understand how to boost overall design efficiency, which every engineering manager loves to see.
Let's put this into perspective. Foundational 3D modeling, creating components, doing assembly integration, parametric modeling, that's just your baseline. That gets you in the door. What actually makes you valuable to a giant like Scient is design improvement. They want engineers who can look at a product and instantly think, how do we optimize this? How do we slash manufacturing costs? How do we boost performance based on the latest test data? That ability to continuously optimize is exactly where your 3 to 7 years of experience really needs to shine.
Let's hit Section 3, day-to-day responsibilities, the mission in action.
So what's your actual day-to-day going to look like? Well, it's going to be fast-paced and highly collaborative. You'll be deep into mechanical product design and heavy CAD modeling with Inventor. You're the one generating those critical manufacturing drawings and driving sheet metal component development. But you won't just be sitting in a dark corner with your headphones on. You'll be tackling engineering change implementations, which means solving problems on the fly and constantly collaborating with manufacturing floors and project teams. Basically, your communication skills need to be just as sharp as your design skills.
I know what you're thinking. What about the pay? While the exact numbers aren't plastered on the posting, the source notes that for folks with 3 to 7 years of Inventor experience in India, the salary range is typically moderate to high for CAD professionals. Of course, the final offer is going to depend heavily on your current package, your specific skill level, your exact domain expertise, and whether you're applying in Hyderabad or Bangalore.
Which brings us nicely to Section 4, walk-in drive logistics, where and when.
10. Write that down, set an alarm. The walk-in interview drive is going down precisely on Sunday, May 10th. You've got a very tight, specific window to get in there and make your impression face-to-face. So your preparation starts right this second.
So where exactly are you deploying on Sunday the 10th? Well, Scient is running this drive simultaneously in 2 major tech hubs. If you're in Hyderabad, you're heading straight to Scient Limited IT Park on ISB Road, right in the financial district of Gachibowli. If Bangalore is your base, you need to be at the Essadora's Recreation Hub, over near the ITPL in the Whitefield Industrial Area. Pick your target, map your route now, and get there early.
Finally, Section 5, your preparation checklist, final steps for success.
The application procedure is a simple 3-step protocol. Step 1, you must scan the QR code on their official poster to apply. Step 2, gather all your required documentation. And Step 3, show up at the walk-in drive. Whatever you do, do not skip Step 1. You absolutely have to be registered in their digital system before you show up physically.
And please, don't be that person who tanks their interview because they forgot a piece of paper. You need to arrive fully equipped. Bring multiple hard copies of your updated resume, a valid government ID, and recent passport-size photos. Most importantly, you need your educational certificates and those experience documents to definitively prove that you hit that 3 to 7 year sweet spot. Oh, and bring your recent salary slips and current CTC details so you're ready for those compensation tax. Just put the whole shebang in a nice professional folder.
Now, if you run into any roadblocks or have some last-minute tactical questions before Sunday, you've got a lifeline. The source provides direct contact info for Akash Kumar NP. You can shoot him a direct message for updates or queries across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or even through their dedicated WhatsApp channel. Use these avenues if you need any absolute clarity before walk-in day.
All right, we've broken down the whole opportunity, the exact technical arsenal you need, and the specific logistics to get you there. If you're sitting on 3 to 7 years of CAD design experience, if you know Autodesk Inventor and sheet metal like the back of your hand, and you've got that drive to optimize products on a global scale, well, this is it. This is your moment. So the only question left is, will we see you on the front line this Sunday, May 10th? The map is laid out for you. The next move is yours. Thanks for tuning into this explainer, and seriously, good luck out there.